Lexi and welcome to another vlog. Oh my god, there's so much I need to catch you up on, and I mean you as in probably my best friend Charlize. But I am in London right now. I just got in from Paris this morning. So a little backstory, and like you're gonna be seeing a lot more vlogs from me right now because I'm traveling. I ended up taking 3 months off work and everything, and I'm gonna be traveling through a couple different countries, starting with Paris, but I wanted to come to London for a very special thing tonight, a Lana Del Rey concert. Literally my queen, my mother, everything. I'm so excited. I've never seen her in concert, and like honestly a dream concert for me. But yeah, so I got into Paris a couple days ago and I just came to London. There was a heat wave in Paris. I haven't filmed. Also, my vlogging camera is dead, so you're on my phone. I will get that charged. I got it fixed and everything. Just need to charge it. Thank God, like whatever. But I wanted to vlog this trip because like I do vlogs for the memories and stuff. So let's first go back to a little montage of my train ride here. I took the Eurostar, so it went under the ocean, which was really cool. And then I got here to my hotel. I came here this morning, so I was a bit early. So I had to go do some stuff and like wait off some time while my room got ready. So here's those clips where I got lunch. So I'm about an hour kill before my room is ready. So I'm gonna go get some Indian food for lunch. I'm excited. And now we're back here in present time. I will be showing you my room in 1 second, but I want to explain a little bit more about why, I guess, just really briefly why I'm taking these 3 months off, I guess. And it's because back in November of 2024, my house did burn down in one of the California fires. Very sad, lost everything except literally my 2 laptops and my dog and anything that was in my purse. So yeah, I just like felt I needed a break from everything and just kind of go somewhere and kind of reset. I know I had been thinking about moving to a couple different places in Europe. I'm not sure if that's still gonna happen. Maybe in the future, maybe just not next year, but I'm gonna be traveling around. Maybe I'll change my mind, but yeah, just trying to reset. It kind of made me realize I want to stay more in LA, my house burning, but we shall see. I'm gonna show you the hotel room, and then I'm gonna rot for a bit before the concert because I did wake up at 5 a.m. today. So yeah, let me show you this amazing room. There's my boots, and then room reveal. Quick little overview. I'm staying at the Inhabit Queen's Gardens Hotel. It's part of the Marriott thing. So to your right, you get a nice clothing rack. You get this beautiful, big, spacious room with these beautiful, immaculate, large windows. I'm on the first floor, so pretty close down there. Then you turn and they kind of hide the TV in this like console thing. I'm gonna go around and then come back over here. So, do a little grand reveal of the bathroom because it's insane. Look at this tub. And then those 2 rooms that I was gonna, it's the shower and the bathroom. And then look at these sinks. This is my Lana Del Rey outfit. I'm gonna change my shirt. I made a shirt for this, but yeah, isn't this crazy, this hotel? I mean, I'm a Marriott member, so I get special perks, but also like this for like the base room, like for 1 queen bed, like base suite, pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna charge you up and relax before I go to the concert. I don't think I'll do anything before. I also did try to go to platform 9 3/4, but there was such a long line, and honestly, not giving J.K. Rowling my support. But I do love Harry Potter. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Whee! Okay, I need to give you like a little backstory because I am so glad I am in a fucking C here in this hotel. Because I kid you not, we get in, it is, what is today? July 3rd. And we got in on June 30th. So it's only been a couple days. 3 days. 3 days since the day I got in. Technically only 2 full days and I'm already in London away from Paris. But those 2 days, those 2.5 days were brutal. We got in during the Parisian like heat wave. So it was like above 101, which is, I'm from California, but chill. But without AC, killer. The hottest day, you'll see I'm staying with one of my friends, Mads. So we were trying to get groceries and stuff, and then we were just so hot that we literally went and saw a movie in French just to be in the AC, and then went to a mall and almost like fell asleep at the table. So then when we came back to our room that day, so we did all that, and when we came back to our place, we froze hand towels, put them on us to keep us cool with the fan directly on us, and took a 2.5 hour nap. So yeah, it's nice being here in the AC. I don't really know how much sightseeing in London I'm gonna do. Do I really care? Not really. Never really wanted to come to London, but Lana Del Rey. And now I can say I came here and I don't have to come back. Yeah, maybe, like, what would I want to see? The Big Ben? I'm all ready for the Lana Del Rey concert. Outfits done. Touch-ups on the makeup done. Yeah, so I'm gonna head there. I took a nap and I started the 3rd season of Squid Game. So now I'm gonna go. I really want to take a bath in here later. So yeah, I'll take you with me.
Contemplating, I don't feel the chemtrails over the
So we're back in Paris. I spent a couple days, you know, catching up on computer work, doing my groceries, but I want to add on to it this London vlog to kind of sum up a week abroad so far. So today we're gonna go explore. We already went to the farmer's market this morning. Yeah, if you want to see more little clips, it's on my other socials, but this is where I film the fun stuff. Office people, office people. Yeah. How gentle are you? I'm you go to the beach and then also go to aperó, and we are now at a restaurant getting a little break in aperitif, which I'm like, do I want to end it? But also like, the only thing left I feel like I have the brain capacity is just walk along the Seine. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, there's gonna be so much more Parisian adventures while I'm here. I'm gonna be in Europe for the next 3 months, and I know I say Europe, I know there's different countries in Europe, but I'm saying that more for the fact that, like, I don't want to post this and people know where I am. So yeah, just know I'm going to a couple other countries, and it's gonna be so fun, and you should stay tuned. A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.